alone. And I know they'll try to help me, but I've been a fool way too long. I don't want to talk about it. Why can't they just let me be? This is just between an old memory and me. Well, I'm not hurting anybody as far as I can see. I just need to be alone sometimes while she goes walking through my mind. I don't want to talk about it. Why can't everybody see? This is just between